Here I've got ESSENTIELB Wooze L, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now you have to scroll down, find and pick accounts, and here, as you can see, we are currently logged in with Google account, so smoothly select the current one, and now tap on the more icon, select remove account, and then confirm that you would like to delete this account with all its messages, contacts and other user data by tapping on remove account. And that's it. As you can see, it disappeared. Then if you would like to add it, like another account, or if you would like to log in for the first time, just open the settings, locate and open accounts, click on add account, and then pick Google. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, as otherwise you will not be able to log in with your Google account. And now enter your email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your account. And then tap on next. Now it's time to enter the password, so just let me do it off the screen. And tap on next. And here you can come along with Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with everything, just tap on I agree. And here, as you can see, backup to Google Drive is active. Just tap on accept to confirm selection of these Google services. And that's it. As you can see, you are logged in with Google account and you can use all its features. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.